the Rana Daggubati.
How are you, ma'am?
How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Congratulations.
Hi guys, how are you? గుర్తుపట్టలేదా? నేనే అండి రానని కొంచెం గడ్డం తీసేసాను. గుర్తుపెట్టారా? సెంటర్లో రాదు. థ్యాంక్స్ మ్యామ్.
Okay, so we want you all to start. Yeah.
దిస్ ఇస్ తెలుగు మ్యామ్. దే ఫోటోగ్రఫర్స్ రూల్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద థింగ్స్. మనం ప్రెస్ మీట్ చేయాలన్నా కూడా వాళ్ళు డిసైడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత జరుగుతుంది. నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ ఫోటో తీయనదా, వీళ్ళు మళ్ళీ ప్లేసులు కూడా మారుతారు. సో జస్ట్
Like you said, I took their permission.
awesome.
Rana, you look so vibrant.
Thank you.
And
Thank you very
extra
much.
handsome, and you have actually aged in reverse. Really, I couldn't recognize you because you were looking extra handsome. Taglinda correct ga?
సరే ఓకే సరే, ఇంకా అలా ఫిక్స్ అయితే ఓకే వెళ్ళిపోండి.
I'm a huge fan.
Thank you.
Not
Thank you
only
very
because
much.
you're an actor, but because of how many hats you wear and how you inspire Gen Zs, millennials, and people of all age and generations.
Thank you.
As a producer, as a serial entrepreneur, and whatnot. And you have actually created this show, executive produced it. But I want to ask, why a talk show?
Why not a talk show? First, I think, okay, ma'am, you just said something and I heard it backstage saying, all these shows that you did gave a lot of love. Mine might give a lot of hate also. So, just putting it right in the beginning.
Hard to believe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one is I did talk shows many years. I mean, this is before Amazon existed in India. I was on television.
We love them all.
Yeah. So, and I just felt like the talk show format never changed. There's been many big stars that have done it. They have different languages.
Yeah.
But the idea of what a talk show is hasn't changed in India as a format. And this was Amazon coming, so I said, okay, the whole world is going to watch. There's about 240 countries that are watching at the same time.
Yeah.
And let's try something fun.
Yeah.
And thank you for allowing me to do this.
Yeah, always. 240 countries and territories. Can we hear a huge round of applause for that? Yeah, Prime Video is bringing to so many places. Wow. I've actually learned that last night when I was reading that. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, so as I started, you've donned many hats. You know, we all know about it. Now you're also, you have also created this show, and you just spilled some beans that, you know, India has been watching a similar format of talk show. You have a very unique and interesting perspective. One, you're friendly, and two, you just know how to just bring that thing. So tell me, what can we... No, bring that information.
Oh, Ada, okay. Just be clear, ma'am, fully.
Yeah.
I'm getting misunderstood too many times nowadays.
Even clear gaane undana? Okay. How is the show different from other talk show?
అది ఇప్పుడు ఎలా చెప్పాలంటే, how is this show different from all the talk shows? How am I different from everybody else? So I think that's where it all starts.
Wow.
See, I think there's so much happening, whether it's on social media, whether it's on OTTs, or we just have a overload of information coming.
That's true.
And but yet at the same time, there's very little that is honest, very little that is real. There's always a facade, whether it's, I mean, definitely for actors, there's a lot of it. Whether it's an actor, whether you're an influencer, whether you're even a journalist, there's a certain facade that you have to take and go forward to the world. ఇప్పుడు ప్రెస్ మీట్ వస్తున్నాం, ఇలా పద్ధతిగా బిహేవ్ చేయాలి, లేకపోతే ఇలా 4 క్వశ్చన్లు అడగాలో ఫిక్స్ అయ్యి వస్తాం. అవన్నీ లేకుండా, ఇఫ్ యూ వర్ జస్ట్ పీపుల్, వాట్ వుడ్ దట్ బి? అండ్ దట్స్ రియలీ వాట్ ద టాక్ షో ఇస్ అబౌట్. సో ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ ద Rana Daggubati show, so hence we don't know if it's a talk show also.
Okay, so I heard more honesty, more uniqueness, the freshness, and of course the friendly perspective, and also something different that India has not seen earlier. I'm actually growing koddiga impatient anpistundi. Like rest of us, I'm actually intrigued to see a little more. Can we at least see a peek into the trailer?
For sure. Firstly, before you guys see the trailer, I have to thank a bunch of people.
Yeah.
First, Amazon Prime. In Amazon Prime, Padma, who has bared the brunt to all the torture that I showed her. అంటే కొత్త ఫార్మాట్ చేయాలని ఫార్మాట్ లేకుండా ఏదో వెళ్తా ఉన్నాం. బట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ పద్మ ఫర్ గెటింగ్ దిస్ టుగెదర్ అండ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ది ఎంటైర్ టీమ్ ఎట్ స్పిరిట్ మీడియా. ఊరికే పేరుకి నాది ఏదో ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ ఉంటుంది కానీ, బట్ ఇట్స్ ద టీమ్ దట్ డిడ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. ఐ జస్ట్ కేమ్ హియర్, just started talking to my friends and life went on.
Wow.
So here's a peek of the Rana Daggubati show.
Wow, how was it? Rana, can we have you back on stage?
Hello, that's me. బాగా ఉందా? అర్థం కాలేదు అసలు ఏమి.
They said they're speechless. Wow.
షాక్ అయినట్టుంది. ఓకే.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. What next?
That's so unique, actually, you know. Like you said, it's something different that India has not watched before, and of course, you never under-promise. You have delivered what you've promised. Thank you. But you know, as both creator and host of this show, how did you balance the creative vision in bringing their, candid and real side of the conversation out into the show?
See, first, my life is quite colorful and entertaining, and everything that I do is very fun because I work in the movies.
Wow.
We are part of telling stories. We make comic books. We make sometimes other things that can't be spoken on stages. But still, so I thought if I just use a piece of all of that in my life and bring a show to you, which is very, very authentic and real,
Yeah.
I thought that's the easiest way to go. So I'm not creating anything. I'm almost just showing what I can show you guys.
But you know, I'm with you on that. But today it's a digital age, and all the fans are following the stars, and they know a lot candidness about their personal life already. So you, as a host, it's a little challenging to bring a fresh perspective. So how are you gonna bridge that gap between audience and stars?
See, normally every time you saw a talk show, the host is like I've played host before.
Yes.
And I was always with whoever the guest was. I had a set of questions. There was a similar way that I behave. But that's not how real life is.
Yeah.
You are closer to some people. You are formal with some people. You are informal with some people, and that you've never seen on a show happen.
Yeah.
So that's really what. And actually, most of the shows that we shot, we started rolling the camera and we never cut for 4 hours straight, and that was the end of the show.
Wow.
And literally, that's the edit that we are watching. So it's almost like sitting and having a conversation with all of us.
Like unfiltered,
Completely unfiltered.
realistic.
Yeah.
Okay. Unscripted, I would say.
It was unscripted for sure.
Yeah, that's why it's an unscripted Telugu show, 8-episode series. Okay, so one more thing is, we actually saw a few, celebrities here. We wanted to know a little bit about the guest list and which celebrities came to your mind first when you, came with this talk show.
See, the thing about celeb life is it's part of my real life, right?
Right.
These celebrities are my friends, are people that I work with every day. And so I'll tell you, for example, what you all saw Sri-Leela and Sidhu
Yeah.
on one of the episodes that were. One day I saw Sri-Leela in this studio shooting 3 shifts for different films. She shot an ad in the morning, she shot for a film, couple of scenes, then night shooting, she did some other film. So I said, that's her real life in this studio, and I also live in this studio. So I said, what would a conversation be if it's in between shoots? And that's when we brought her in. Sidhu and I have made a film before, and we're looking at making more films. So he's here in the studio consistently talking. So we said, let's take something that's real in our lives and bring it onto the show. So that's really how every single guest came the same way.
Yeah, so I think your creative thoughts keep running whenever you see people, how to collaborate and how to bring them out. I'm very sure about it. So firstly, I want to reiterate that one more time. Prime Video is bringing this in 240 countries plus territories. Can we all clap for that, please? Can we all clap for that?
Asal తెలుసారా
Prime
240
Video
countries names asal మీకు క్లాప్ చేయండి
countries, yeah.
ఏంటి ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో మాట్లాడాను నాకు తెలియదు. ఇప్పుడు నీకు తెలుగు వస్తే తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నా, అతను ఇంగ్లీష్ వస్తే ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడుతున్నా. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇందులో ఒక చాలా స్పెషల్ ఎపిసోడ్ చేశాను, అది రిషబ్ శెట్టి గారితో.
Yeah.
అదేంటంటే ఆయనకి నాకు ఏ కామన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లేదు. అంటే నాకు కన్నడ రాదు, ఆయనకి తెలుగు రాదు. ఆయన హిందీ చాలా ఫ్లూయెంట్గా మాట్లాడతారు, నాకు అంత ఫాస్ట్గా హిందీలో క్వశ్చన్లు అడగడం రాదు. కానీ ఇద్దరికి సగం సగం తమిళ్ వచ్చు. ఆ సగం సగం తమిళ్లో ఏదో అర్థం చేసుకుని ఆ రోజు అర్థమైంది ఏంటంటే అసలు ఫ్రెండ్స్కి అసలు లాంగ్వేజ్ కూడా అక్కర్లేదు అనే ఒక సెన్స్లో ఇట్. సో ఇట్ వాస్ రియలీ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటల్, ఎడ్జీ అండ్ రియల్. సో దాట్స్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్.
So I was back rooting to the conversation. Good question. Prime Video is bringing this, and there is a outgrowing number of audience for online platforms. And since this is going to be streaming in multiple platforms, what are your thoughts on that, on the streaming services?
It's streaming on only one platform, no? On Amazon only, no?
No,
Only
not
multiple
platforms.
platforms
I said
under it?
240 countries.
Hey!
territories. I said
కంట్రీస్ అంటున్నారా?
multiple. Yeah.
ఏమో మాకు తెలిసిన భాషలో మేము చెప్పాం, ఆ కంట్రీలో వాళ్ళు ఎలా అర్థం చేసుకుంటారో నాకు తెలియదు. బట్
I have butterflies in my stomach.
One is I just hope, see, like, the South is very different from the rest of the world. I'm saying we've seen a lot of shows that are, whether it's Hollywood dependent, whether it's Bollywood dependent in that sense. But the South is not one language where 4 or 5 industries that come together. we speak in different languages, we have a different culture completely. So I said, now how does that, we have less showbiz and more real stories going on. So that's really what I wanted to showcase to the world, that we're a bunch of fun creative people and we have a great time making movies.
Absolutely. Okay, so ఇంతవరకు కొన్ని డీప్ కాన్వర్సేషన్స్ అండ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగాం షో గురించి. ఇప్పుడు ఒక ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్, ఒక యూనిక్నెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. అంటే మీరు కూడా అక్కడ
ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ లేదు అసలు, తీసాను అసలు ఈ టైం సిస్టమ్. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అదే ఆడుతున్నారు అందరూ.
నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం, ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ పుట్స్ లెస్ ప్రెషర్ ఆన్ మీ అండ్ మోర్ ఆన్.
కమ్ ఆన్, గో షూట్.
ఓకే, హీ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ రెడీ. ఓకే, డిస్క్రైబ్ ది రానా దగ్గుబాటి షో ఇన్ 3 words.
It's as crazy as Rana Daggubadi can be.
In 3 words.
Crazy Rana Daggubadi.
Okay. మాటలే ఓకే. Who managed to shock you with one of their stories and what was it? చెప్పాలి, మన కోసం ఒక లైన్ చెప్పండి.
అంటే కొన్ని నాకు షాకింగ్ అనిపించవు కానీ మీకు షాకింగ్ అనిపిస్తున్నాయి ఈ మధ్య, అదే నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. సో అది మీరు చూసిన తర్వాత మీరే చెప్పాలి నాకు.
సరే, హూ షాక్డ్ యూ? పేరు మాత్రం చెప్పండి, డోంట్ సే ద కాన్వర్సేషన్.
అంటే మేము ఒకసారి ఒక ఆవుని తీసుకొచ్చాం లోపలికి, అప్పుడు అందరూ షాక్ అయ్యారు.
ఓకే ఓకే, హూ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ షై పర్సన్ అండ్ హౌ డిడ్ యూ మేనేజ్ దెమ్ టు గెట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ షైనెస్?
See, like I said, you are shy with people who you don't know. So, so most of them that came on the show, I have some relation in some form with them. And see, I've been in the movies all my life. I was born here, I grew up here, and I kept working here for the last 20 years. So life is very different for us in that sense. So I think shyness will be lesser on this show. You won't see anybody shy on this show.
So you got took advantage of your camaraderie with them and got them to open up.
Took advantage ante em maatladutunnaru?
Advantage of camaraderie, the friendliness.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm getting scared here. Okay, what was your favorite part of shooting and engaging in your guests' favorite hobbies and activities?
See, I think there's many things that naaku kontamandi, though I know them for many years, ఈ షోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత when we got into much more detail, whether it's about their childhood, things that influenced them, I realized I started knowing them better than what I do already.
Wow.
So I think that was pretty phenomenal for me, just as a personal experience. People that I didn't know, I met for the first time, literally just few days before the show started. Got to know them very, very deeply by the end of it. And so I think, yeah, I've made great friendships. I know the stars that you already know in a much, much deeper manner. But I saw some more depth. So I think that was pretty phenomenal for me.
All right, so వచ్చిన గెస్ట్లలో ఇది కొద్దిగా డిఫికల్ట్ క్వశ్చనే, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ దాట్. మీ ఫేవరెట్ గెస్ట్ ఎవరు అండ్ అదే ఆన్ ద షో?
వచ్చిన గెస్ట్లు అందరికీ నేను వాళ్ళ ఫేవరెట్ అండి, సో అందుకే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు అందరూ.
దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ స్మార్ట్ రానా. యు ఆర్ అ జెంటిల్మెన్ హూ ఇస్ స్మార్ట్, బట్ యు నో హూ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ గెస్ట్?
I don't have a favorite guest. It's like, see, I'll tell you, నేను లైఫ్ లాంగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇదే స్ట్రీట్లో పెరిగానండి. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక 1 kilometer రేడియస్లోనే నేను 5 years నుంచి ఇప్పుడు 40 years వరకు వస్తున్నా. మొత్తం అంతా ఇక్కడే జరిగింది. సో ఈ ఏరియాలో ఎవరు వచ్చినా ఇట్ ఫీల్స్ లైక్ ఇట్స్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ మై హౌస్, పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ, అండ్ దట్స్ హౌ ఐ హావ్ గ్రోన్ అప్. సో యూ కాంట్ డూ ఫేవరెటిజం at home. It's hard.
Home is where heart is. The man is on fire. Can we all give a big round of applause for the Rana Daggubati? చాలా బాగా కన్క్లూడ్ చేశారు తెలుసా. హోమ్ ఇస్ హార్ట్. You are also a script writer yourself, like, spontaneous ga.
Thank you.
Okay, so